We have a salad making contest, May 8, 2010, Sunburst Resort in Silay City.
Making salad contest.
Making salad. Making salad. Salad making.
So, bring me something. Ito lista, ano na para sa
Jonah.
Okay, so bring me something, young people.
From the church.
So, bring me something. Men, women, ma-join. Bring me something. Oh, join na, join na. Okay, tanilo ko din sa Kintit. Wow, malapit. Oh. Mas malapit na Kintit sa Luhago, manawa. Una, gisaya. Sige, another one.
We have 4 contestants.
Bring me something.
5 contestants.
Rubber band. Rubber band. Sino may rubber band? Hindi ang bowler, ha? Rubber band. Not the bowler that you are wearing. Rubber band ba? Bani! Taga-Pilay. Muda-muda. Mukha ba? Another one. Another one. Bring me something. A cap. Not a hat, a cap. A cap. This one is a cap.